If you're not eating all the extra stuff, it's actually relatively inexpensive to eat healthy. If you stick to the basics and you get your meat, your veggies, get some carbohydrates, whether it's rice, potatoes, oatmeal, the carbs are cheap, and then some produce. It's everything else that we do around eating healthy, or it's the way we frame it. Because eating healthy, when you think about it, just buying meat, rice, eggs, vegetables, and fruit, that's pretty basic. But where you run into the trouble is you're either trying to get 2 fancy cuts of meat and you think it's got to be shrimp and filet mignon every single day, and it doesn't have to be. You can make it work with some ground beef and some chicken thighs, whatever your thing is, but you can find ways to make it work. Point is, the meat's not really that expensive, but if you drop out all the cookies and you drop out the cereals and all the other snacks and the chips and all that stuff's like $7 a box, $7 a bag. Now, instead of trying to get the regular snacks that we get, you're trying to be healthy, right? So you start getting all the healthy junk. It says gluten-free, it says sugar-free, it says this or that, and it's labeled high protein. So it might be the chips or the cookies or the special sauce or whatever, and some of the sauces, they're worth it, but like, you got to really keep an eye on that stuff, because that stuff can start to add up pretty quick. Because if you're buying a regular bottle of ketchup, you know, you're talking $3, $4, whatever. But then if you're buying like these special sauces and you're getting up to $10, $15, you know, that's adds up pretty quick, and you're gonna go through it. And the same thing, like, I mean, gluten-free and all that doesn't mean it's calorie-free. So just because it's got a special label on it that says it's keto or this or that, doesn't mean that it's really good for you and that the ingredients in there is great for you. So something to think about. One other thing you have that makes it expensive is trying to cook fancy meals every single time for your meal prep. And rather than just keeping it simple, where you're going to sit there and you're going to make your rice, you're going to have your meat, do a good job on the meat. Switch it up, you add some sauces, cook it with different flavors so it stays interesting, but focus on the meat, the rice, the veggies. And if you focus on that rather than trying to get the special 5 veggies you need for this meal prep recipe, the special spices you need because it's a new recipe, and those types of things, that's where it really starts adding up. Because if you do that a couple times a week, it gets really expensive to make one meal. You know this is true because if you go to the store on impulse and you decide you're gonna make a meal for the night, it's way more expensive than when you're just buying your basic regular groceries for the week.